Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce for beans. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. For the liquid, have 2 cups of vegetable or chicken broth ready. These simple components form the foundation of a delicious and easy bean sauce, perfect for any meal. Let's get cooking. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it softens and turns translucent. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more. This step is crucial for building a rich flavor base for your bean sauce. Now pour in your 2 cups of broth and 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook, uncovered, for about 15 to 20 minutes. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken slightly, creating a perfect consistency. Finally, it's time to season your sauce. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 5 teaspoons of chili powder and salt to taste. Add a pinch of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped cilantro for brightness. Give it a good stir, taste, and adjust any seasonings. Your easy, flavorful bean sauce is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.